Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. Really quick discovery for me right here. This is my purple tree colored patch. It's all this area right here. Beautiful year-round collards, sweet in the winter. And I have a lot of mustard greens I grow year-round as well. You can see them popping up here, seedlings. Well, the mustard green and the purple tree collard must have crossed this year, because this looks like the purple tree collard, how it snakes out and comes up. But when I eat the leaves, it tastes like it has a lot of spice to it. So you can see like the purple tree collard there grows out and comes up. That's purple tree collard. And this is a new variety, purple tree collard slash mustard green. As you can see right here, how the purple tree collard has purple stems, but yet this one has a green stem. Happy gardening, everyone.